So today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Maths Past Paper, Paper 1 Higher for November 2021. So today I'll be going through question 5 of the paper. So it says Rosie, Matilda and Ibrahim collect stickers. The number of stickers Rosie has to the number of stickers Matilda has to the number of stickers Ibrahim has is 4 to 7 to 15. Ibrahim has 24 more stickers than Matilda. Ibrahim has more stickers than Rosie. How many more? So this is, first of all, is a ratio question. And I like to think of it ratios in parts. So it's 4 parts to 7 parts to 15 parts. So I need to find how many parts more Ibrahim has than Matilda. So that'll be 15 minus 7, which is 8 parts. And I know he has 24 more stickers, so the 8 parts must equal 24. So 1 part would be 24 divided by 8, which is 3. And I have to find out how many more he has from Rosie. So first of all, I will find how many more parts he has. So that's 15 minus 4, which is 11. So I know 1 part equals 3 stickers. So I'll do 11 times by 3, which is 33. So he has 33 more stickers. And that's the answer. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more GCSE Maths past papers